Hey, welcome everybody. Thank you all so much for being here. It is our Wednesday training. It's August 18th, and I'm super excited to have the opportunity to share more stream marketing training with you all. What we're going to do today is kind of take a complete overview of stream marketing, whether you're a customer now or if you are interested in being a customer or know someone that's interested in being a customer of stream marketing. What we want to do is show you all of the features and benefits and the power of stream marketing. So what I'm going to do is share my screen, kind of take you through some of the amazing things that we've built in the past. We've done some incredible trainings in the past, some of the websites that are available to you now, and all of the things that we can do. So once again, welcome everybody. And here we go. I'm going to start by sharing my screen. So this is inside of your stream marketing account. And what we want to do is take a walk through each one of the features that you have here. So over here in the bottom right-hand corner, this is kind of an overlooked thing, and I want to make sure that people have the opportunity to see it. So if you have any kind of support question, or if you want to book a technical support call, or if you want to hire a Nowsite nerd, you can go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on this pop-up, and you have everything ready for you. So you can send a message right there from inside of your account, right? So you can kind of just start. Otherwise, you can email support, but you can just send that message from inside of your account. Now, if you have a technical support call, maybe there's something going on with your website where you can't log in or something like that that's technical, you can book a Zoom call. They're about 15 minutes with our support team, and they'll walk you through and make sure that everything is working inside of your account, which is great. There's nothing like being one-on-one with someone on Zoom so that you can share your screen, right? And just tell them what's happening. And people really love that about our technical support. There's also the ability to hire a nerd. And what hiring a nerd allows you to do is have anything that you want created for you. So if you love the idea of having great websites, and we've already built some great websites for you, but you have something in mind, maybe you know a client that would like to see something that for their business, or you're a customer and you just say, you know what, I really need a website for my business, but I'm not sure where to get started, or I don't really want to do it myself. You can hire a nerd, and there's even more that they can do. So I'm going to click on this book a call just so you can see everything that's available for you in the nerd services. So you can book live nerd meetings, meaning one-on-one sessions to discuss website design, email, SMS, and much more, right? So you're face-to-face with someone who will go through it and do it for you, like right there live in front of you, especially that website design, okay? If you wanted an email campaign that was written for you, maybe you want a great follow-up email campaign series or something like that, you can click on Buy Now and have an email campaign written for you. If you want a blog post, you can have a blog post written for you. If you want social media posts, you can have social media posts written for you as well. So we have an extremely robust system here with stream marketing. And it's all a matter of getting in where you fit in, right? As a customer. So do you want to have something built for you? Feel free, click a live nerd meeting. Or if you want to have an email campaign or blog or social media post or something that you want done for you, then you can come in here and just hire a nerd. Okay, so that's right there in the bottom right-hand corner. Sometimes overlooked, but a really powerful button in this navigation. Now, we're gonna work our way, right, over here to this left side navigation. Since we're on this topic of support and the nerds, I'm gonna focus right here for a second so you can always reach the nerd at the same Nerd Now button and get the same pop-up that you received here in this section when it says Hire a Now Site Nerd, okay? There's also another support button, and I'm going to click on it here. And what you have is this ability to be walked through each one of the features that we have here. Okay, so connecting your email. Maybe you're not sure how to connect your email account, because in Stream Marketing, we will even create or help you create email campaigns. And this system is designed so that you can send out an email campaign. Awesome. But if you're not sure how to do it, there's a walkthrough that we have for you. Even the contact section, maybe you're not sure about where the leads come in from, where you can get that contact section at. Maybe you want to change your email account, change your password, contact support, change your profile picture. Like, the list will go on and on and on and on. So if there's something that you feel like you need immediate help with and you just want to see a walkthrough of it, you can filter by category or even do a search right here so that you can view that walkthrough, and it'll take you at like a step-by-step guide on what to do. So whether you're a customer or you know someone that wants to be a customer, I think something that's really important to share is the amount of support that is available for you. How you can kind of get in there and type a message to support. You can book your 15-minute call. You can hire somebody to do it for you. And there are complete walkthroughs, okay? So I'm gonna start with kind of going up this way, right? So even from, you know, over here to the left, this side nav that's here, we're gonna kind of work our way up instead of from top to bottom because of how things are going together here. One of the things that we have, if you click on content and then you click on Stream Marketing, you can see some of the templates that were already booked or made for you. So we have the postcard template, Blue 42, we'll build it right before your eyes. Stream Marketing, we have a real estate template here. We have a promo video. We have an email campaign here, how-to videos, marketing materials, recorded training sessions, and even capture pages for you to use. Okay, so inside of this content section, you have a bunch of things that are basically already done for you that you can get in and see how to use it, right? So if you come back in here and you want to say, okay, let me check out this real estate template, or maybe I know somebody in real estate, or maybe I'm in real estate, right, that this system can help, I can click on this and I can click on add to my websites. What I would do is give this the business name that I want, maybe something like real estate, and then the website name, real estate demo, right? Because this is something that was already built. I want to do this real estate demo. I have my language set to English, and for me, I'm going to do real estate demo 1. Okay, so I can get a look at that website and get a look at everything that was built for me in the content section that we've done. So somebody already has real estate demo 1, so I'm going to change it to 1 too. And you can see all the features of this website here, right? So it's great where we have 7 tips to selling your home faster. So people can come in, they can edit, they can decide what they want to share or give away or change any of the information that's here. They can do featured properties. They can do a little bit about me, recently sold properties in your area. And of course, they can come in and edit any section that they want to inside of here. Okay, and it's also just a great example if you want to show customers what's possible. Okay, so I just want to save this template that I have so that it's kind of sitting there in my website area, right? Real estate demo. And I can check it out and maybe share with others. This is how simple and easy this is to use, okay? Also, in that content section, I want to see if I could drop this down here for a minute. I'm going to click on Stream Marketing. And we have the postcard template that people love. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to download it. And I want to add this to my account, right? This postcard template. And, oh, sorry about that spelling. Hold on one second. Okay. Postcard template demo. If you can always change this, if you're trying to get in here and see what's available to you and use what's available to you, just make sure that you come in here and download it, right? So I'm going to say postcard template demo 1, 2, and click on next. And you know, this was a great opportunity. Jordan shared with everyone. Are you in the postcard program? Create stronger connections, build your influence, activate the law of attraction, make a positive impact on your friends, associates, and the people that you meet. Fun, simple, addictive, ask about affiliate position, and they can come in here and request the 3-minute video. Right here inside of this section, you can add your GS Pro app button, the URL that goes to you. You're going to put in your numbers right in here. So it goes to your 3-minute video. We make this really, really simple for you. And you can save this and share with others so that you can ask them simply, are you in the postcard program? Because everybody should be in the postcard program, right? Everybody shake your head. Yes, real simple, real easy to share. And it goes right on over to Jordan's 3-minute video inside of your app, right? So pretty amazing that we make it so seamless for people when they come in, okay? So I'm going to move on to the next section just because here, let me click on cancel. Just because here under content, there's loads of stuff that you can do. There's loads of things that you can download. You should come in here and check out the Sweet Dreams Blue 42 website template that we've all built together. It's really, really nice. And a lot of people have chimed in on what they like about Blue 42. There's also a stream marketing template. There are some capture pages in here for you as well that you can use. So they're great. Okay, come in here, download some stuff, and get excited about what you have. Now, we're gonna move on over to this contacts section, okay? So here, let me see if I have it. Did I not? I don't think I saved it. Okay. Are you in the postcard program? I would put my name and my email information in. And I say access now. And I didn't have it go to any, right, like GS Pro app. So you're going to see this error, but I told you how to kind of like go on over, right, to request that 3-minute video inside of your app. But what happens here is in this contact section that everybody should be really, really excited about, okay? So when you have that capture page, whether it's a real estate template or the Sweet Dreams Blue 42 or the postcard template, right, that you're sharing, or any one of these capture pages, you have the ability to collect those contacts, right? And they all wind up in this section here, divided by different pages that you've created, right? So you have realtors, greener still. I'm just gonna keep on going through because I don't wanna really share people's information. But here's our demo list. And you can see that I just filled this one in, right? So it says Cheryl, email, subscribed, and the join list date. So I can keep track of all the people that have filled in my information. If I come in here and I click on this contact, I can see a bunch of information about this contact, right? So you can see here, I can add notes, right, to this section. I always think it's fun and exciting to add notes. I can come in here and really organize my list of contacts. I can say something about the person if I know that person and they've put in their information, or if I've contacted that person at a certain time. Okay. And I can also see all the lists that I have and what they've subscribed to, right? So here they're subscribed to this list that I have, and I'm also subscribed to Greener Still and all the other lists that you have, right? So there will be more and more information as we continue to make the contact list more robust and share some profile information. I spoke a little bit about this last time of how this section specifically contacts that is often overlooked, but so powerful in lead generation, building your own list, but giving people the ability to enhance this contact, find out more information about them, and even collect some personality data about that person. So I hope you're all excited to see that and to kind of see the system that's amazing, robust, can do a whole bunch of things for you, will just get better and better every single day. So really, really cool. And this is the contact section. If I come back here, I can import my contacts if I like, and that's in the form of a CSV file or comma separated value file. So you can sort your list. Maybe, you know, I want to add this person to this list, or add this person to this list, or keep my contacts all in one place. If I ever want to export my contacts, maybe I have quite a few contacts that are coming in and I want to export them, I can always click on export new contact or export all contacts, and all of my contacts will go into this CSV file as well, so that I know that I own that list and can take that list with me anywhere I want to. I can also just manually add a new contact if I want, right? So I can add that person's full name. I'm just gonna say Cheryl. I'm trying to make up a name for myself. Maybe I'll call myself Victoria. She seems pretty cool. And then I have no idea. I can't think of a cooler last name than Coco, so I'm keeping Coco. So I can add Victoria Coco, my like alternative name here. I can add different contact elements, right? I can put my phone number in here. I can put that person's email address in here. I can add their Facebook, their LinkedIn, their Twitter, their Instagram, their website, and I can even add them to a list if I want to, right over here. And then when I'm done, I'm just trying to move some screens out of my way, right here. I can click on save, and now I've created that contact successfully. So if you want to manually add a contact, you can do that as well. So just a little kind of recap here as we continue to move forward. This button here should not be overlooked. There's lots of great stuff here, how you can contact support, how you can book a support call, how you can have a nerd do it all for you. Same thing with your Nerd Now button. You always have the opportunity to hire a nerd. In the support section, you can go in here and do amazing walkthroughs of each one of the sections that we have here for you at Stream Marketing. In the content section, we've already added a bunch of content for you that you can use to your liking, right? So you can come over here and click on content and then Stream Marketing, and you have the ability to see it and use all the information that we've already provided for you. And we have that contacts section. Okay, great. I'm going to continue by moving up on this list here, okay, and go into social marketing. Now, social marketing is absolutely great, and you can search content. If you've ever been like, ooh, I don't know what to post today, I'm at a loss, yikes. Right? Or I want something that kind of goes with my business. I want people to come and look at my landing page. So I want to show you how you can use this manually in order to do so. Okay. So here, if you kind of come into this section and you can see articles, videos, and images that are available here, or you can use your own article or video if you like. Maybe you want to post a great image. Maybe you're looking for a great post, right? Maybe it's something engaging, right? Or funny. Like, what's your pet peeve? People love to. My first concert was, and people love to comment on this. If you're looking for some kind of ideas for engaging posts, you can always come back here and check it out. This is the sign you've been looking for. What's the number of countries you've traveled to? When you ask people questions like this, and it's great to show a part of social marketing, when you ask people questions like this, they love to engage and tell you about themselves. What's your favorite knock-knock joke? Fun, okay? So you can go in here and choose how many pennies would fit into this room. Super fun, okay? So I'm gonna find one that speaks to me, right? Maybe it's my first concert was, fill in the blank, and I can change the image. I can do some like overlay if I want to, but this is a pretty cool picture. Now I can add some image text, but I don't need to as far as I'm concerned. And I can go into this post data and I could write a description. Tell me your favorite or your first, your first concert. And then when they click on the image, right? If they decide to click on the image here, up to them, but you just kind of want to use this for engagement so that they see that image. But also if they click on the image, they can go to one of your websites. I've talked to you about this all before about how important it is to have maybe a website about yourself, that branding website that's about you, because all of these kind of engaging or funny posts, because we're not talking about business all the time, right? So if I have this funny or engaging post, I can connect to the website that's about me, right? So if I have a website that I built that's about me, that's super fun, or, you know, kind of fits this bill of, hi, thank you so much for visiting my page. My name's Cheryl Coco, blah, blah, blah. I've been in the network marketing industry for 6 years. I help people generate leads. I've done this, I've done, right? Like a little bit, talk about your kids, talk about your family. But here, if they comment, it's great engagement, but also if they click on it, they can, of course, find out more about you. So you want to connect it to that website that's here. And then you can click on post right here in this section. And it'll prompt you to post on social media. It asks you, would you like to add this content to your website's blog? For me, it's just an image. You know, most of the time I'm saying yes, but I'm just going to say no here. And then I can set the custom URL, which will show and appear on this clickable image. So I want to say my first concert. Okay. And I can post to Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. So I'm going to click on post here. And then it'll bring up your Facebook, of course, for you to post. Your social marketing is done. Great. So I'm just going to click on save and exit once I'm done here, because I know that I've posted it. And I can see right here by this tab that I've posted it once. And the more that I post, the brighter this like green tab will get. And here I can duplicate this. I can share this template. I can share or post it again. I can copy the link. I can download the image, or I can delete it. But you can always search that content that's here. There's also social marketing that is AI powered. So if I go into my website section, right, and I have this cup of cocoa demo here, and I have a contact form. You can see there's like kind of this hazard button here. And if I click on industry and I go to my category, I can decide what category this fits into, okay? So, you know, I don't want to spend a lot of time going through all the categories, but you can come in here and check out all the categories that we have. I'm just going to say income opportunity, work from home, and I'm going to turn on this 3-click marketing. and I'm going to save and exit. And then here in social marketing, since the social marketing has already been done in this account, what's going to happen is right inside of this section, right, it will bring up a post that you can post that's recommended for you to post in order to drive engagement, get people excited, go on over to that website that you've connected or turned AI, 3-click marketing or AI on to it. And every single day, it will give you a suggestion on what to post. But not only will it give you suggestions, it will get smarter and smarter when you do post. So when you're posting the engagement that's driven, it will come up with different suggestions depending on the audience reaction of those suggestions when you do it through AI. So you have this option of posting through using AI or just coming in here and searching for some content that you like and you're able to post. I know that it's great to have those suggestions that come up considering a page that you have that's business. But for me, sometimes, you know, finding something great to post doesn't always come easy. And finding something that somebody will engage with or something that's funny. I love to kind of go back here and get some ideas or search the content and post from here, especially on days that I'm just having a moment or struggling. Nobody's perfect. I'm on Pinterest. I'm looking. What should I post? I'm not sure. Come back here and search the content. You can always find great suggestions, great things to post on the regular. So that's our social marketing section and how you can activate AI and get those suggested posts that will be here, and then how you can add your own posts in that section. Okay, so we also have an email campaign section, and I know it's kind of funky, right? We've worked from the bottom to the top, but I'm going to go on over to this website section before I get to email campaigns, because I want to show you the flow of how this works, right? So here in the website section, you know that I can download websites that are already in my content section. We've gone over that here. Some websites automatically populate for you to use, but I can also just go on over and add new. Okay, I can add as many websites as I want to. Like, it's unlimited. If you have a customer or prospect, if you're new, if you're trying to figure things out, right? If you want to get acclimated with this system, if you want to drag and drop, you want to see the capabilities, get in here, especially in this website section. It's really fun and really exciting. So you can start with different templates, right? Blank. This form of a capture page, this kind of capture page, this brand builder, that's here for you, okay? So you decide where you want to start with, and there's no wrong choices. It's just a matter of making the choice, right? So I can start with this one, and I would just fill in the information, okay? My new business, and then of course, I just kind of follow the flow here because I know I'm not married to any of these choices that are here. I can choose my category and subcategory, right? And I don't need to, or I can activate AI. We know what that does, right? We know that it pulls in those social marketing posts if you want them. Now you have this great template to start from, so you can come in here and build as many as you want. You can explore each one of the functions and features that are here. You can go through some of our past training where we've built these websites for you, but you can drag and drop any section that you want in here, from headlines to feature blocks to large images to videos, customer forms, and more. Right? If I click on a section, I can also change anything that's in this section as well, right? I can change the images if I want. I can search for an image. We're integrated with Pixabay, so I can come in here and decide. I can even, you know, come in here and say digital marketing to get some suggestions of great images that I can use. right? I can come in here and make any change that I want to. And if I find a picture that I like, that speaks to me, that I say, okay, I really love this one, I can click on it, click OK. And now you can see that background has changed. I can change the overlay of it. I can do a bunch of things in here, but what's most exciting is kind of getting in here and playing with it. Okay. Now we've talked about when someone puts in their name, their phone number, and their email, right? When they fill in a form that's on your website and they go inside of your contact section. Remember, I filled in that cup of cocoa and they come into my contact section, but it's that form of follow-up that people love. So you can go into email campaigns and you can build some email campaigns for yourself here. If you want to, we have some thank you for SOC. We have demo cup of cocoa. You can add new. Just make sure that your email, everybody got real close. Make sure that your email is connected. You can follow the steps, click on connect email if you want these emails to get sent out. You can click on add new and build lists so that there's a series of emails. When somebody comes in, they will get an immediate email 2 days later, 3 days later, 4 days later, and so on, right? So you can do that by clicking on add new, but also in our content section, we have stream marketing emails, and we have an email that's there to follow up from the SOCGS Pro postcard, and it's an immediate email that goes out. You can download it, you can use it, okay? So you can see some of the things that we've had. You can edit anything that you want inside of this section if you want to, but you're free to use anything that we've kind of built or created in here for you. You can select the email account if you want. You can connect it to different lists that you have. So once somebody comes in here, once somebody comes onto your page and they fill out that information, you can build a series of emails, right, that go out to your people so that you stay top of mind, so that your people continue to see you. And you can just build like email after email after email, day after day if you want. It's completely up to you, but you can build that email campaign.
Cheryl, I have a quick question for you.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, Cheryl, I'm a busy real estate agent. You know, this looks like really an incredible system. I love the social marketing and all that aspect. But you know what? I don't want to learn how to do all this stuff. You know, so when I sign up as a brand new customer, how do I have to figure all this stuff out myself?
No. So when you sign up as a brand new customer, you're actually booking a 60-minute call with one of our nerds. It just happens automatically. You get a tour of the system. You'll have a website that's built for you so that you don't really have to do it yourself, right?
So and that's included.
Yeah, it's included. It's included. Get you activated with those nerds. Well, right? Like who has that happen?
Yeah, what if my wife wants her own website built? Can I use this? I mean, how do I have to learn how to do it, or is that nerd feature you can actually hire somebody to build sites? So in other words, as a customer, I don't know how to do any of this. I can actually for $20 I can have somebody do all this for me, or I get the one included when I sign up as a customer.
Absolutely, that Nerd Now button is a lifesaver. Right? So for people who are like, you know, I love this. I love every bit of its capabilities. It's awesome. But I want somebody else to do it for me. This is the button. Like, this is the button. If you want to have a website built for you, click on the button, do a live nerd meeting. Email campaigns are great, but sometimes we don't have the time to write a 5-day email campaign, a 3-day email campaign, right? They take time. And we want certain sales copy in it, and we want them to convert. We use artificial intelligence and human intelligence to create an amazing email campaign that, Bart, you know, a 3-day email campaign or a 5-day email campaign is not costing you $30 if you hired someone. it's amazing. And people are just like, wow, it's in my account. It's connected to the website that I even had built for me. So even if you're like, okay, I have no knowledge, I want it done for me, you can come to this section and have it all done for you. It's the greatest. I mean, to me, like, I love all of this stuff, and I love training our nerd team and having a blast with them. But I would say the thing that people really, really, really love is clicking that button, and they're always wowed by what's created for them and that relationship that they have with the nerd. Or, you know, in 24 hours, they have a fully done email campaign that they were like, would have taken me months. Wow. So totally.
No, it's awesome. No, it's great to know that you can sign up for this incredible service. You get your first website completely built for you. And if you want additional websites done, or email campaigns, or blog posts, all you have to do is click a button and it's done for you. So even though you can do all this stuff yourself, it's all done for you.
It could all literally be done for you quickly, professionally, at a price that is like completely unheard of.
That's awesome.
It relieves so much stress. Yeah.
Use my own domain name.
And I'm sorry?
Can I use my own domain name?
Absolutely. I'm going to show people how they can use their own domain name, or you can, you know, have a nerd help you if you want to. They're always there and available, which is great. So in the top left-hand corner here, this is my account info. And one of them says domain control. Okay? One of them says domain control. Now, you can see Bart has used his right here. I can't find it now, but no, that's not it. 3minuteoverview.com. And the reason I wanted to show you 3minuteoverview.com is because we know that this was built in Stream Marketing. You just saw it, right? But he's using his .com here, and I want to show you how you can use a .com. So if you bought a domain, maybe in GoDaddy or somewhere else where you've bought a domain, you can use that domain to show in the address bar, just like Bart did here. So I can add an external domain. And here, what I'm going to show you is I'm really going to just show you inside of my GoDaddy account, because I think it's really that important for people to see, and it's really simple, and I don't want to overcomplicate it for people. So this is actually inside of my GoDaddy account and some of the domains that I own. And here, if I click on CherylCoco.network, you will see exactly this if you had GoDaddy. Now, if you own a domain through another account, you're going to see all of the same exact things, okay? What's most important to find is this. No matter what domain register you're using, GoDaddy, I have no idea. There's so many, right? But you could just go here and click on Manage DNS. That's the part that you want to get to. If you own a domain, write that down. It's Manage DNS, Manage DNS, Manage DNS. Now, right here, this is called records. It always opens here. Do not freak out. It's simple. This is called records, right? Now, in the interest of like, I can't believe I'm going to do this, but I'm going to show you my entire desktop. Don't judge me if you're watching, okay? All right. I wanted to show you side by side because it's important, right? So I'm using CherylCoco.network or whatever .com that you have, right? So I would just go CherylCoco.network, and I want to connect it to, oh, this domain, I probably already have it. Dang. Okay, let me see if I can find another domain. I've used so many of these domains. So let me see if I can find another one that I can use really quickly. Let me stop sharing. I just want you to be able to see it work, or how it works. Okay. DNS. Just 1 second. 1 sec. Hold tight. No. Hold tight. Hold tight. I'm gonna see if this one works. We're gonna go for it, right? Okay, let's try the desktop again. Okay, so this is getthegem.com, getthegem.com. And what website would I like to connect it to? I'm gonna go to Demo Cup of Cocoa. I'm gonna click on save. And then I'm gonna take this value that's here, right? And here inside of the A record that's here, I can edit. And where it says, I don't know why I can't edit because I'm doing it live. But inside of the A record here, let's go back to this one. Manage domains. Of course, like it's just not gonna work out for me. I'm so sorry. Pay no attention to me for like 2 seconds. Let me use this one. Manage DNS. Cross your fingers for me. Okay, good. All right, so it'll look like this. Got it. Manage DNS. There's certain things that I do with domains. Yours will look just like this one, okay? And you're gonna go over here, and this will usually say parked. It will always say parked. Let me stop. It will always say parked. And you just take this value that's here. See how big my mouse got? Take that value here, and you paste it, and save it, and then your domain will be hooked up, okay? So just like this here, where Bart used 3minuteoverview.com, you can hook up your own. You can see I used that BellaSureDidIt.com, and this was also built in Stream Marketing. So an easy way to add an external domain. All right, so just a little like kind of inside knowledge here. We do have this amazing analytics section that people love. And before I end or close it out, that analytics section is even getting like complete massive overhaul that will allow you to see even more in depth of all of your analytics. So it's super duper cool. And I can't wait for you all to see it. So lots of stuff happening with Stream Marketing, but like my friend Bart here said, you can go through it. I hope that you loved all the features and functionality of it. It's pretty amazing. It's such a robust system, but if you want to, you can always hire somebody to do it for you, right? So that you don't have to be the expert. You can hire the expert at any time. All right.
Lots of new features coming. We have the networking feature that's going to be coming soon.
Yeah.
SMS marketing, online ads, retargeting, all that you can add in to your account very soon. And it's $87 a month the first month and $47 a month thereafter. And that $87 includes an hour consultation with a nerd that can build your own site.
That's it.
And you don't know how to do any of this. You can have somebody do it for you if you choose to.
Absolutely.
Unlimited number of sites.
Thank you. I had a great time. Thank you so much for having me. I hope you all enjoyed it and get back there and get in there and enjoy Stream Marketing. There's so much that you can do and so many ways that you can help customers by being able to add a gazillion websites if you want, and for as many businesses as you want. The sky is the limit. So thanks so much for having me, Bart. Thanks everybody for having me. We'll see you all next time.
See you next September.